Don't make this mistake. If your A30s turns on, never hard reset it with the buttons. I'll show you how to make it like new, right from the settings menu. Go to your phone settings. Find Reset menu. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Select Reset option. In this menu, choose the Reset option. Choose Factory Reset. Now, tap on Factory Data Reset. Final review. The phone will show you a list of all the data that is about to be erased. Scroll to the bottom and tap the blue Reset button. Confirm identity. At this stage, the phone will ask for your PIN, pattern, or password. Enter it to proceed. Final confirmation. Finally, a Delete All button will appear. Once you tap this, the phone will shut down and begin the reset process.